Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to Credit 101, episode 6. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to get your credit reports for free from those third party specialty bureaus. So, these bureaus, they have different information for you. We're going to talk about how you can get a free copy of it. And if you guys have my exclusive credit membership, you guys will see that down below. If you guys have that, I actually have a free printout where you guys can be able to download it and get like the fax numbers and also their direct website. They may have forums. I have all of that available in the exclusive credit membership. So definitely, guys, check that out. Now, it's so many different bureaus out there, you guys. So we're going to talk about how you can get those credit reports. Now, the first company I want to talk to you guys about is LexisNexis. So if you guys have a bankruptcy, you guys need to know LexisNexis. LexisNexis is housing so much information about us, you guys, from driving records to bankruptcies to even some insurance information. So let's look at LexisNexis. So to get a copy of your credit reports from LexisNexis, you can just go right to their website. So you can see right here, go to their website and request a consumer disclosure report. So you guys will be able to get a copy of your credit reports. Also, you guys can place a security freeze. Now, some people think when they have a bankruptcy, all they have to do is place a security freeze, but that's not true, you guys, because they're still authorized to give your credit reports to the credit bureaus, which is who we don't want to have access to this report. So I always tell people to dispute that information. We're going to definitely get into that. And I don't know how long it's going to take for us to get there, but we're going to definitely get into that. Now, also, we have the Experian Rent. So Experian actually have their own Experian Rent Bureau where they actually have information about your rental history. So property management companies and third-party rental reporters actually send your rental payment data directly to them, and that's how they're going to be able to know about your rental history. So some people are trying to apply for a house, they're trying to rent the house and they're having a hard time getting approved. You probably need to find out what information is on your rental bureau report, because that information can definitely help you figure out exactly what's going on, because this can be stopping you from actually getting that house that you want to get, that you want to rent. So definitely check this out. We also have a company called MIB, which is the Medical Information Bureau. Now, this one, they have information about medical history. So this is what they're for. And they talk about your health insurance protection and also your life. So your life insurance. So definitely you can request a copy of your report that you have directly with them. So definitely check out that credit bureau. Now, next thing is I want you guys to check out the TeleCheck. So they want to talk about your check writing history. So you guys can actually do a dispute right on a website. Also, you can talk about, you'll see like any forgery or identity theft, you can file it right through here. And then you can find out more about how they work here. Another one I want you to know about is the check systems. Now, check system is very, very important for those people that's trying to get a bank account. If for some reason you're trying to get a bank account and you're not able to get a bank account, maybe you have some information on your check systems report. When I was in high school and I worked at the bank, check systems was big. Before we gave people a checking account, we looked at people's check systems. So go ahead and request a copy of your report. You can request it right here. I also do tell people to put that security freeze on there. If you have any identity theft, go ahead and you can report your identity theft and you can do a dispute right through their website. But you do want to make sure that you do it. Now, the next company, but the last company I want to talk about, is so many other companies out there. With this one right here, a lot of companies get this bureau. So you want to come here and check it out and see if you can get your report for them. Definitely call them. I know a lot of these websites, a lot of these different things, I know it's like over 35 different companies, and I have that list for you all inside of the membership. They'll allow you to be able to fax them. Like SageStream is one I'm not going to be able to talk about right now, but they'll allow you to be able to get a copy of your credit reports online. You can call them. So definitely check these bureaus out. Now, the main ones I think that you guys definitely need to know about, though, is LexisNexis. Very big check systems, because everybody's trying to get a bank account. And if you're trying to rent, definitely check out Experian and also SageStream. I didn't put SageStream on here, but that's a big company that you guys need to know about, because they house a lot of information for us. So SageStream, you may see when you apply for certain companies, they may want to pull your SageStream report and you're like, what? Yes, they want to pull it. So definitely make sure you guys have those different bureaus. cleaned up because it's very, very important. Now, in the next episode, we're going to be talking about getting additional free copies of your credit reports. You know, I told you, and I didn't, not in IQ, but also annualcreditreports.com. There were certain instances where you're able to get your credit reports because usually it's once a year. And I don't know how long that's going to last, but technically we still have once a week because of COVID, and they have it where you have additional ways you can get your credit report. So in episode 7, we're going to talk about these additional ways. So I'll see you guys in that episode. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments.